Hey, what's going on, guys? It is your boy OK Neil here, and I'm back with a brand new shoe cleaning video. I'm gonna make this short and simple for you guys. And my other video, my how to clean white shoes video, it was alright. Like, I didn't really explain it, and I did not expect it to blow up like that. So I'm gonna just do this like a part 2 and make this like a little bit quicker and a little bit easier for you guys. So as you guys can see, we got like our dirty shoes right here. They're like really dirty. These are my beaters, and then so yeah, we're gonna be cleaning these up, and we're gonna be showing you guys how it looks. So looking at this now, you guys can see how like crusty and dirty they are, but like I said before, it's not the worst. You guys can see that there are red stains right here, and these are really easy to clean off. But today I'm gonna be focusing on how to clean off just this part up here. So yeah, let me show you guys how to do that. So all you really need is just your dirty shoes, some nail polish remover, just a small rag, a decent amount of toilet paper, your pillowcase, and a washing machine, as well as some laundry detergent. What you guys are gonna do is just untie these shoelaces. Set these shoelaces aside. Take your shoe and put it in your pillowcase. So here are my shoes. I'm gonna just throw this in the washing machine, and I'm gonna put some blankets and like pillows just to cover the washing machine up so it doesn't really damage it. Close this up. I already put some detergent in there. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna just switch mine to quick wash, and make sure it's cold, guys. Make sure it's cold. Remember that. So now that it's all set up, I'm just gonna go ahead and start this up. And now we wait. Alright, so while my shoes are washing, about these white shoelaces, I already have a separate video on how to clean them up. It's real simple. Just go ahead and check that out right now. Alright, so once these are finished, you're gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna sit in my bathroom real quick, and I'm gonna untie these, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. Yours may not actually look like this. It may be like really like dark yellow, and you'll see some yellow spots, and that's completely okay. That's exactly why we have our toilet paper, so we can go ahead and make sure all the detergent is all soaked up from earlier before. And you're gonna do this about like 4 or 5 times, and you can do more times if you want to. So yeah, this is a good start right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys the time lapse of me applying this all over. Product looks like, and make sure you guys stick the toilet paper to the side of the shoe, because you're trying to absorb all of that detergent from earlier. So yeah, we're gonna let these set out in the sun. I'm gonna set them out for about 2 days because it's winter here and it's pretty cold outside. So yeah, we're gonna just set these outside, and we're gonna check back on them in about 2 days. I'll see you guys then. One of these shoes isn't going to be cleaned at all, because I'm going to be showing you guys quite the difference between this one and this shoe right here. So yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys back in 2 days. It is now day 2, and as you guys can see, it'll be really soaked up and dried up. You'll start to see some yellow stains, and that's because of the detergent that was on from earlier. I don't really have that much yellow stains right now, because thankfully there wasn't much that got on. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring these back inside and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up. If your shoe is like still yellow, or you still see some yellow detergent marks, then go ahead and wet your shoe all over and start the toilet paper process all over again. For my shoe, it's not that bad. There are still some like stains right here. It's still a little bit dirty, but you can go ahead and just take some detergent, some dish soap, mix it together, and just brush it off, brush it all around. throw these back in the washing machine and do the toilet paper process again, but I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys part 2. Go ahead and grab the nail polish remover and take your rag, pour it upside down like that, and start wiping down your soles with the nail polish remover, and that's all you gotta do for that. Alright, so these are how they look after I've applied the nail polish remover, and you may notice that I didn't really clean that. That's because I couldn't, and yeah, applying some nail polish remover or acetone really changes the way your shoe looks. So now I'm going to be showing you guys a side-by-side comparison. So you may notice a subtle difference up at the top, and that's because I've mentioned earlier before that I can go ahead and just wash these again, with a brush, or just toss these back in the washing machine. But there is a big difference when using the acetone or nail polish remover. So that's basically it for my shoe cleaning tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please comment them down below and I will respond to them as fast as I can. I'll see you.